you rate with your experience with Golden Boys?
I think the company has done a terrific job for us. We've just thoroughly enjoyed working with them. Dan is quick to respond to my text or my questions. They're guys that arrive on time, they dress for the job, they're respectful of my property, they move the plants and the things that have to be moved carefully and then they move them back. They don't play their music loud, they don't smoke cigarettes and leave butts on the ground, and they make themselves part of the area without being on top of me or the rest of my activities at the house. So I very much loved having them here, and they just do a great job.